Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Google Maps if it is muted in CarPlay. So let's get it started. First, open the setting app on your iPhone, then tap on Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is turned on and your iPhone is connected to your car. Next, swipe down from the top right corner and make sure the volume is turned up. Now, open the Google Maps app. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. And here just select settings. Then tap navigation. And here enter sound and voice. Make sure muted is not selected. Just choose unmuted. Then turn on play voice over Bluetooth. Now start navigation again and check if Google Maps is speaking properly to your car speaker. And that's it. If you found it very helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechGems for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.